Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about 5 business ideas you can start in the UK with less than £1,000. These ideas are perfect for anyone looking to take control of their financial future without breaking the bank. So if you're ready, stick around. Freelance writing or copywriting requires just a laptop, an internet connection, and some writing samples. Use platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to market your services. With £1,000 or less, become a personal fitness trainer. Get certified and use public parks or your home to train clients. A home cleaning service is affordable and always in demand. Just a few supplies can kickstart your business. Have expertise in a subject? Become an online tutor with just a good webcam and internet connection. Start a handmade crafts business on Etsy or local markets. It's a fun way to express creativity while earning. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share with friends, and comment with your favorite idea. Subscribe and hit that notification bell for more updates and business tips. Your support means everything.